Welcome to the Co-Credit Union Members Business Hub. We've built this space to connect you with the amazing entrepreneurial spirit within our community. On the CCU Business Hub, you can showcase your talents, list your services or products and get noticed, boost your reach, add some extra advertising to really stand out, find what you need, discover services and products offered by other members, connect directly, easily reach out to providers and get things done. Let's get started by registering your account. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get started. First things first, let's register. Click on Member Sign In the top right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and click on the left-hand side and this will take you to the registration page. Let's fill in the details. Enter your personal information. Last name, email address, Co-Credit Union member number, identification verification. Choose your preferred ID method, national ID, driver's permit, or passport. Upload a clear image of your chosen ID. Enter your ID number. Password. Create a strong password with a capital letter, number, and symbol. Terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions. Once you've completed all the steps, click on Register. That's it. Your application is now under review. Our team will verify your information, and once approved, you'll have full access to the CCU Business Hub. Welcome to the CCU Business Hub. We're excited to have you join us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our support team. CCU Business Hub. Connect, support, thrive.